What's up, crazy auto fans? If you're looking for a luxurious SUV that can conquer the toughest terrain, you won't want to miss this video. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2024 Lexus GX550, and trust me, this thing is an absolute beast that will blow your mind. The Lexus GX has been long overdue for a redesign, and the 2024 model year brings us a completely overhauled version that's sure to impress. With its rugged, Land Cruiser-inspired exterior and a powerful new twin-turbo V6 engine, the GX550 is ready to take on any adventure, whether it's conquering rugged trails or cruising in style on the highway. This all-new GX rides on the same tough body-on-frame platform as the Toyota Sequoia and Tundra, so you know it's built to last. And it slots right in between the flagship Elks luxury off-roader and the more road-focused TX SUV in Lexus lineup. Let's start with the exterior design of this beast. The GX550 has a bold, boxy appearance that screams off-road ready. With its angular lines, aggressive spindle grille, and muscular fenders, this SUV looks like it can handle anything you throw at it. The designers took inspiration from the iconic Land Cruiser, giving the GX550 a rugged yet sophisticated look that will age well, which is important since the GX has a history of lengthy product cycles. But it's not just about looks. The GX550 comes equipped with features like an aluminum skid plate and 18-inch wheels with 33-inch all-terrain tires, making it a true off-road warrior. And if you opt for the Overtrail or Overtrail Plus trims, you get even more off-road goodies like an adaptive suspension system with increased wheel articulation, crawl control, and selectable drive modes for different terrains like mud, sand, and rock. Under the hood, the GX550 packs a serious punch with its twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine, delivering a whopping 349 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than the previous generation's V8, and it's paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and standard 4-wheel drive. But what really sets the GX550 apart is its off-road prowess. During our test drive, we had the chance to take the Overtrail model out on some seriously challenging trails, and let me tell you, this thing performed like a champ. The adaptive suspension system and increased wheel articulation allowed us to crawl over obstacles and navigate tight turns with ease. The crawl control feature was also incredibly handy, automatically modulating the throttle and brakes to maintain a steady pace over rough terrain. 0 to 60 mph, 6.2 seconds 1/4 mile, 14.7 seconds at 95 mph top speed, 105 mph governed, and let's not forget about the GX550's impressive towing capacity. It can haul up to 9,096 pounds, which is far more than most crossover rivals like the Audi Q7 or BMW X5. So whether you're an avid off-roader or just need a capable tow rig, the GX550 has you covered. But don't worry, the GX550 isn't just a one-trick pony. On the road, it feels punchy and responsive, with plenty of power for passing and merging. The ride is a bit stiff, especially with the larger wheel options, but that's to be expected from a body-on-frame off-road SUV like this. But the GX550 isn't just about brawn. It's also got plenty of brains and luxury. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a sumptuous cabin that's packed with high-end materials and the latest tech features. Depending on the trim level, you can get semi-aniline leather upholstery, 10-way power-adjustable front seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, and even second-row window shades for added privacy. The centerpiece of the interior is the massive 14-inch infotainment system, which comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. This allows you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone apps and functions into the GX550's display, making it easy to access your music, navigation, and more while on the go. But that's not all. The GX550 also boasts a separate 12.3-inch digital gauge display that can be customized to show a variety of information to the driver, including off-road data like pitch and roll angles. And if you're an audiophile, you'll want to opt for the available 21-speaker Mark Levinson surround sound system, which delivers concert hall quality audio throughout the cabin. Front headroom, 38.1 inches front legroom, 42.8 inches second row headroom, 38.1 inches second row legroom, 34.1 inches cargo volume behind first row, 77 cubic feet. Safety is also a top priority in the GX550. It comes loaded with driver assistance features like automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control with a lane centering function. These features not only help keep you and your passengers safe on the road, but also provide an extra layer of confidence when tackling off-road adventures. Let's not forget about practicality. The GX550 offers plenty of cargo space, with up to 77 cubic feet of room behind the first row when you fold down the second and third rows. There's even an available power folding option for the third row, making it easy to configure the interior for your specific needs. The GX550 is available in 2 rows with seating for up to 5 people, or 3 rows with seating for up to 7 with the standard second row bench. A pair of captain's chairs is optional for the second row, bringing the seating capacity down to 6. Pricing starts at $64,250 for the base premium trim and goes up to $81,250 for the top Overtrail Plus model. So, there you have it, folks. The 2024 Lexus GX550 is a true game changer in the world of luxury off-road SUVs. With its perfect blend of rugged capability, powerful performance, and premium features, this beast is ready to take on any adventure you can throw at it. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast looking for a capable trail companion or someone who appreciates a well-rounded, high-performance vehicle with plenty of space and tech, the GX550 is definitely worth checking out. It delivers on Lexus' reputation for luxury and refinement while adding a hefty dose of off-road prowess that few other SUVs in its class can match. Call to action: be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more awesome car content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2024 Lexus GX550. Are you excited about this off-road beast, or do you have reservations? We'd love to hear your thoughts and engage with our amazing Crazy Auto fans.